In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create groups in Monday.com. If you've been looking to efficiently organize your projects or tasks, you're in the right place. Monday.com is a brilliant platform for team collaboration, and knowing how to create and manage groups can really help streamline your workflow and keep everything organized. Let's dive in together and get you on the path to mastering this simple yet powerful feature. First things first, you'll want to open your board. This is the space where you'll be organizing your items, so it's important to have the right board selected. Simply navigate to the board where you want to create your groups. Don't worry if you're new to Monday.com, finding and opening your board is straightforward. Head to your dashboard, and from there, you can either search for the board using its name or scroll through until you find the one you need. Once you're on the right board, the next step is to add a new group. You'll do this by scrolling down to the very bottom of your board. There, you'll notice an option to plus add group. Go ahead and click on that. This feature allows you to create distinct sections within your board where you can categorize and manage different sets of items. It's a great way to keep everything neat and makes navigation easier for everyone involved in your projects. With your new group created, the following step is to name it. This is where you get a bit creative, but remember to be clear and precise with your naming. For instance, if you're working on a series of tasks for the first week of a project, you might name the group Week 1. Alternatively, if you're creating a space for ongoing projects, you might label it Ongoing Projects. The name should give an immediate sense of what items the group contains, making it easier for you and your team members to find what they're looking for at a glance. After you've named your group, it's time to organize your items. The key here is drag and drop. Simply click on an item and drag it into the appropriate group. This method is intuitive and user-friendly, helping you to quickly shuffle items around as needed. Organizing items into groups like this doesn't just look tidy, it can boost productivity by ensuring that everyone knows exactly where to find the relevant tasks or project information. And there you have it. You've successfully created a group in Monday.com and organized your items within it. With this system, you can keep your projects orderly and your team aligned. Remember, taking the time to properly organize your workflow can make all the difference in maintaining focus and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.